Circular saws are an incredibly powerful tool that many serious contractors and hobbyists should have within their arsenal. Over time, the cordless circular saw has risen from the shadows of the corded varieties thanks to their compact and lightweight design, as well as the increasing power and additional features which can see these models outperform the corded versions. With no cord to slow you down, a decent battery-powered circular saw provides limitless mobility and freedom. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best cordless circular saws to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Ryobi P507. The Japanese company Ryobi has more than half a century of history, and since the time of its foundation, it has become one of the leaders in the power tool productions. The P507 ONE Plus is a great choice for beginners new to saws and DIYers. It is powered by an 18-volt battery that can reach speeds up to 4700 RPM. Its power is enough to cope with both basic tasks and some complex ones like full-depth crosscuts. You get a 6.5-inch blade, 24 teeth with this device, but a battery needs to be purchased separately. Like many cordless device manufacturers, Ryobi has released an extensive line of products that share a single 18-volt battery, so this model is worth buying for those who already have some tools of this brand. Although, the more expensive counterparts have a longer runtime, the performance of this saw is also remarkable given its low cost. Besides, if you compare it with the devices from the same price category, you will definitely notice that neither the case nor the battery heats up during use. It is crucial for the comfort and safety of the user. Note that the tool has a left side blade, which might be unusual for some users as most devices are oriented to the right. It does not affect the quality of the work in any way. You just might need to get some time to get used to it. You should also be careful when replacing the blade. By the way, the blade removal mechanism was implemented very conveniently. You don't have to spend a lot of time looking for a wrench. It is inserted under the handle in the case's back. A significant advantage of this model is its compactness and low weight. Its maneuverability and ease of use distinguish it from more expensive counterparts and make it ideal for beginners. The handle is quite thick but comfortable at the same time. It has a reliable rubberized coating so you can work with both hands and with gloves. Number 4. Metabo HPT C7SB3. Metabo is a worldwide known company that used to be called Hitachi. Its power tools, saws in particular, are popular among professional woodworkers. We find its Metabo C7SB3 circular saw kit to be the top cordless circular saw on the market. It's quite powerful with 15 amp motor and a speed of 6000 RPM. Due to this, the cuts you get are smooth, clean, and fast. It can easily cut various types of materials like LVL, OSB, plywood, and other wood-type materials. Despite being so powerful, this saw is lightweight as well, with a weight of only 9.5 pounds. It helps with the product's compactness and makes it easier and more comfortable to use. Due to the dust blower feature, you'll get a clean work surface as well as a clear line of sight. Number 3. BOSCH CCS01Z. BOSCH is the epitome of the phrase German engineering and all of the connotations that this phrase encompasses. This brand is an international giant of innovative and high-quality engineering tools. The company is known not only for making household appliances and power tools of excellent quality, but also successfully venturing into industrial technology, mobile hardware, and building equipment. This BOSCH CCS01Z is a great circular small saw to use, being only 12.5 inch in length. It is a great option for professional builders, remodelers, and carpenters, as well as those who need a powerful tool for household needs. With a 6.5-inch saw blade, this model comes as a versatile cordless mini circular saw. The item can be considered compact if only compared with other similar saws on the market, but its size is perfect for both light and heavy-duty tasks. For a fair price, you get a 6.6-pound saw with an efficient 3900 RPM motor. The tool has no detachable batteries, so it is pretty lightweight. If you order this BOSCH saw, you will get the saw itself and the instructions, so there are no required accessories, additional parts, complicated setup, and so on, making this tool the best option for people who know what equipment they need. The BOSCH CCS01Z model succeeds in cutting tasks quite well. This German manufacturer knows well how to produce a unit that will perform extremely well. This cordless circular saw can deal with hardwoods without any complications whatsoever. The lower RPM requires less power, meaning that the efficiency of this tool is maximized. The saw allows making 50-degree cuts, and it has a very firm and sturdy guard for comfortable work. The circular saw is made in the typical BOSCH colors of blue, red, and black. It has a blade fit design that allows for a clear line of sight if the instrument is held in your right arm. The hand is ergonomic and can be set up at an angle of 45 degrees, and this position protects your hand from slipping up or the saw jumping off in some random direction. The handle of this tool is most comfortable for tall people and reduces back pain risks. Number 2. DEWALT DCS391. DEWALT DCS391B 20V Max is the number 1 tool to have in your household. DEWALT is a highly renowned manufacturer among gardeners, home improvers, and carpenters all over the world. The company produces high-grade tools that I love for their performance and durability. Over the years, DEWALT equipment has served me well, and the DEWALT DCS391 model is not exception to this rule. Within the package, you get the saw itself, a fast charger, and a 12-volt battery pack. The item itself is made of high-quality materials that ensure a long service life of the device. The saw rocks the usual DEWALT color combination of black and yellow that is recognizable and pleasing to the eye. It has a magnesium shoe that ensures the outstanding durability of the tool. The circular saw can deliver exceptional cut accuracy, even after half a year of almost daily use. What runs this circular saw is the powerful 5150 RPM motor. It is efficient in transforming the 20V into raw power to cut the material of your choice. Working with any type of wood is incredibly easy with this item. The motor makes the saw blade cutting into the wood as if it were butter. The handle makes a comfortable grip, it's ergonomic so your hand will not tire while operating this tool. The device weighs about 2 pounds without the battery, and it also contributes to the ease of use. Although the battery is light and small, the battery life is pretty good. It is one of the best options for beginners as the saw is easy to use and can handle different tasks. Number 1. Makita XSR01Z. Still, that's not what sets this sensational saw apart from the competition. Makita's XSR01Z circular saw has a powerful 18V brushless motor that keeps it cool and running efficiently. The Makita requires dual 36V LXT lithium-ion batteries which give it enough power to be one of the premium portable circular saws on the market. In fact, this saw delivers a maximum torque of 5100 RPM. Not to mention, it boasts an ergonomic left blade rear handle design that makes it super safe for productive cuts. With a potential for 558 precise cross-cuts per charge, this saw is engineered to outperform standard saws. The Makita's automatic speed change technology allows you to adjust the speed and torque to optimize the saw's performance. With a 29 by 16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees, it can cut easily through multiple layers of material. What's more is that this saw has impressive 0 to 53 degree bevel range with positive stops at 22.5, 45, and 53 degrees. It is also important to note that the saw weighs just 12.4 pounds with both batteries installed, making it one of the lighter circular saws of its size. With so much power in this saw, Makita has taken several measures to ensure the safety of its users. An electric brake enables quick productive stops. A magnesium base and a blade guard helps keep this saw's weight down while maximizing protection. An aluminum safety cover and motor keep users' hands away from potentially hot internal mechanisms. The saw even has a non-slip rubber-coated grip to give users maximum control and stability during lengthy projects. Overall, we'd say the Makita circular saw is suitable for both professional and amateur craftsmen. It's extremely balanced, free of restraints, and boasts plenty of power. Not to mention, the saw produces smooth, accurate cuts. A cordless circular saw is ideal for woodworkers who require a dependable tool that can perform different kinds of tasks. The equipment is not just for professionals, but a lot of homeowners who love to DIY can benefit from having this machine at home. The corded saw can cut masonry, steel, plywood, granite, and lumber when matched with the right blade selection. Most cordless models are better equipped to handle light and medium jobs in which maneuverability and portability are crucial. However, getting the best cordless circular saw is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.